Hello, this is Puri Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be learning about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. So today we'll be talking about slip disc. In the last video, we had talked about back pain. Slip disc is a level ahead from back pain, which means that there is more pain in the back then normal back pain. Before knowing what is slip disc, let us know about our spine. Our spine is divided in 5 portions. The first one is the neck area, which we call it as cervical area, which has 7 vertebrae. Then there is thoracic area, upper back. Over there are 12 vertebrae. Then comes the lumbar area, which has 5 vertebrae. Then sacral and coccyx areas, which have 5 vertebrae each. So mainly the slip disc occurs in lumbar region. What is slip disc? So you can see there is a gap between 2 vertebrae. In that gap there are a cushion like layering of soft tissues so that they do not rub each other. So by some reasons, if this cushion like soft layering of soft tissue moves from its place, it is called as slip disc. By this you got to know what is slip disc. So now let us know what are the reasons or causes of slip disc. One of the main reason for slip disc is the wrong lifestyle, or you can also call it as prolonged lifestyle, in which we sit or stand for more hours in one position, or if we carry heavy things or heavy weighted things, then there are chances that we can have slip disc. Or because of age, as a person is getting older, then there are chances that he or she can have slip disc. This you got to know what are causes of slip disc. Talking about symptoms, there is too much unbearable pain in the back. So now let us know acupressure points for slip disc. Back points which we discussed in the last video, that too you have to use today also, and with that we will use today's points too. So our point is in our toes.
This point is over here in our legs. How will you locate this point? So you can see there are 2 ends of our nail. One from the outside, which is towards the third toe, and one from the inside, which is towards the big toe. So on the inner side ending of our nail, this over here is our point. So when you will press over here nearby, you will get pain. On that position is our point. Let's know it again. There are 2 joints of our nail, which is outside towards third toe, and the other one is the inside towards big toe. Our point is just below the inner side ending of our toe. When you will press here and there, you will find pain. Over there is our point. What we will do over here is, we will just press it with the help of a jimmy, or you can also press it with the back side of your pen for 4 to 5 minutes. You have to press it firmly. After pressing properly for 4 to 5 minutes, what we will do over here, we will do seed therapy. For that we will take whole green gram and paper tape. Paper tape you will get in any medical store. Like this, we will take a whole green gram and paper tape and stick it on these points properly. Just press it and stick it properly over here. Just stick it properly. You have to do this on both your toes.
We need to apply the seeds for 8 to 10 hours. You can also apply it in daytime or night time, depends upon you, but it should be till 8 to 10. And once you remove it, you need to throw that tape, and on next day with new tape and with new seeds on it. If you do this treatment daily, you will definitely feel results. With this treatment, you should also have nutritious food and try to get morning sunlight. Otherwise, what will happen? You will eat nutritious food with full of calciums, but if there is lack of vitamin D, then how will the calcium absorb? So what you have to do, you need to get more and more of vitamin D. So try to get morning sunlight. So that's all for today. And if you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.